Freelance proofreading is a great way to earn money online. You can work from home, set your own hours and rates, and you do not need any prior experience as long as you know how to read well. In this blog post, we will discuss the benefits of freelance proofreading and what it takes to become one and why you should consider starting now. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so we can keep on providing you with more weekly videos on how to earn money online. Now, let's dive into proofreading. Proofreaders are in high demand, especially for internet companies, since they need a highly detail-oriented personality to do the task. It's a fantastic way to make money from home because you may proofread from anywhere. In many situations, online proofreaders have the option of setting their own schedules and working at their own speed. Although proofreaders and editors are often considered interchangeable, there are distinct distinctions between the two jobs. The primary goal of proofreading is to find grammatical, spelling, syntax, and formatting errors. Editors can adjust and reorganize the material, while authors may go through it and reorder and arrange it. They have the ability to modify or delete content entirely, verify research, and alter tone of voice to better fit the target audience. Editors and writers may collaborate on numerous versions until they're completely happy with their work. While proofreaders are not always thought of as editors, they are both professional and skilled. Proofreading, on the other hand, does not need as much content analysis. How much can proofreaders earn? According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, full-time proofreaders make an average of $43,200 per year. The pay and quantity of work depend on the proofreader's availability and workload. Someone who is looking for chances in their free time may take less money than a busy proofreader who can maintain several consistent clients. What qualifications do you need to become an online proofreader? A bachelor's degree or current enrollment in a 4-year program is required for many proofreading and editing tasks. If you haven't been to school in a while, a refresher course might be useful. How do you find online proofreading jobs? There are several excellent resources if you're looking for proofreading work as a freelancer. Here are a few to get you started. 1. EditFast. EditFast is a proofreading service that allows clients to submit their materials on the internet for review. Potential proofreaders must submit a resume, take editing tests, and pass them with high scores. You'll be notified if there are any potential jobs when you've been approved. EditFast pays a 40% fee to the proofreader, so project costs will vary. Note you will need a college degree and past editing experience. Links to all the mentioned companies can be found in the description below the video. 2. Wordvice. Wordvice provides services to both academic and medical institutions as well as research centers. They employ freelance editors, content writers, translators, and online English teachers on a contract basis. You must submit a resume and finish an editing sample to be considered for employment. The pay is based on the candidate's experience, quality of work, and area of expertise. Again, here you will need a college degree and past editing experience. 3. Grammarly. Grammarly is a proofreading and editing company. Contractors can help you with your writing projects, such as theses, essays, novels, white papers, and other types of projects. Contractors must pass a background check and a test after filling out an application that includes information about their education and experience. During the week, proofreaders are required to complete documents within 24 hours. 4. Kibin. This firm focuses on copy editing, proofreading, and grammatical services. They collaborate with a variety of students and academic institutions to assist with essays, applications, and dissertations. Kibin pays proofreaders by the word, but also they provide financial incentives for meeting deadlines and client satisfaction. According to a Glassdoor survey, proofreaders make 1 cent per word. Kibin does not require a degree. 5. Proofreadingservices.com. Proofreadingservices.com helps clients in the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand with $19 to $46 per hour and flexible hours. When contractors apply to demonstrate their proofreading abilities and capabilities, they must complete a 20-minute evaluation. Freelance marketplaces. Many of the most reputable editing and proofreading firms demand a college diploma and previous employment. So, how can you obtain experience if no one will hire you? To show your skills and experience to a possible customer, you may submit a spec assignment. You might also try applying for one-time projects on freelance marketplaces and job boards that don't have as stringent proofreading criteria. Here are a couple of great sites to get you going. 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace for business owners, although it's also popular with individuals looking to make extra money. This means that freelancers can advertise their services on the site, while business owners may browse through various offers to find a freelancer for their work. Originally, Fiverr worked on the idea that each service was only $5. Today, they have expanded this limit. It's free to join Fiverr, and regardless of what you charge for your proofreading services, they'll keep 20% of the total amount. 2. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that offers a variety of projects, including proofreading and editing. Once you complete your profile on the site, you're paired with your ideal jobs. You can also respond to job offers right away. Fees range depending on the project and customer, and they are made clear up front. Some projects are charged hourly, while others have a set fee. How do I start my freelance proofreading business? Starting your own proofreading business allows you to work whenever you choose, establish your own prices, and work entirely from home. If you start your own firm, you don't need a college education. You may develop with your clients and even provide extra services as a result of your skills and expertise. Keeping track of deadlines and expanding your client base are two tasks that may be difficult, but there are many resources available to assist you get started with your freelance proofreading business. The Editorial Freelancers Association is a professional organization that provides job listings, tools, training, and connections to other proofreaders in the field. Let's get started. Here are the most frequent actions you'll need to take in order to launch your own proofreading business. 1. If you need proofreading training, look into it. 2. Make a plan for your business. 3. Determine the sort of documents you'd like to proofread, i.e., target a niche: academic, legal, medical, writers, bloggers, copy editor, etc. 4. Set up your Facebook and Twitter accounts. Start a blog to share your expertise, generate leads, and build authority. Set up your Facebook and Twitter profiles and build your website. 5. Ensure that your communication channels, workflow processes, and payment acceptance are all in place. 6. I recommend creating a list of 100 individuals and organizations you'd like to work with and pitching 2 to 5 people every day until you're completely booked up for starting pitching clients. As a freelancer, proofreading is an excellent way to make money at home. If you enjoy correcting grammar, have a keen eye for accuracy, and have a firm grasp of the English language, consider becoming an online proofreader. It's a simple job that doesn't need any particular talents, and you may complete it from anywhere in the globe as long as you have access to your phone or PC. Furthermore, proofreaders are always in demand, so there will never be a lack of work for you. All of this adds up to making proofreading one of the most lucrative ways to earn money online right now. We hope that our video has shed light on how proofreading works and whether it is something you should think about if you're searching for new chances or simply want more information regarding what freelancing entails. Have you ever tried proofreading? Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on how to make money online.